Hello, travelers. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world without breaking the bank. Today, we're in the vibrant city of Lisbon, Portugal, ranked number 32 on our list of the top 100 most popular travel destinations worldwide in 2024. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through how to enjoy this historic city on a budget, covering everything from must-see spots to hidden local gems. Let's get started. Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, boasts a rich history dating back to the Roman era. It was a significant hub during the Age of Discovery in the 15th and 16th centuries when Portuguese explorers sailed to uncharted territories. Today, Lisbon is known for its cobbled streets, vibrant culture, and historic landmarks. Start your journey at Rocio Square, the heart of Lisbon. From there, visit the Lisbon Cathedral and explore the winding streets of the Alfama district, known for its fado music and stunning views. Rocio Square is a bustling area filled with cafes and shops, making it a perfect starting point. The Lisbon Cathedral, also known as Sé de Lisboa, is the oldest church in the city and offers a glimpse into Lisbon's religious history. As you wander through Alfama, you'll be transported back in time with its narrow streets and traditional houses. Don't forget to stop by a fado house to experience the soulful music that defines this district. Day 2 takes you to Belém. Marvel at the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the iconic Belém Tower. Don't miss the monument to the discoveries, celebrating Portugal's explorers. The Jerónimos Monastery is a stunning example of Manueline architecture and a testament to Portugal's Age of Discovery. The nearby Belém Tower, once a fortress and a ceremonial gateway to Lisbon, offers panoramic views of the Tagus River. The monument to the discoveries is a tribute to the explorers who played a crucial role in Portugal's maritime history, and it's a great spot for photos. Explore modern Lisbon in Parque das Nações. Visit the Oceanario, one of the world's largest aquariums, and take in the views from the Vasco da Gama Bridge. Parque das Nações is a stark contrast to the historic parts of Lisbon, with its contemporary architecture and wide open spaces. The Oceanario de Lisboa is a must-visit, especially for families, as it houses a diverse range of marine life. The Vasco da Gama Bridge, the longest bridge in Europe, offers stunning views and is an engineering marvel. Take a day trip to Sintra, a fairy-tale town just outside Lisbon. Explore the colorful Peña Palace, the mystical Quinta da Regaleira, and the charming Old Town. Sintra is like stepping into a storybook with its whimsical palaces and lush gardens. The Peña Palace, perched atop a hill, is a riot of colors and styles, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Quinta da Regaleira is known for its enigmatic architecture and the famous Initiation Well, which is a must-see. The Old Town of Sintra is filled with quaint shops and cafes, perfect for a leisurely stroll. End your trip with a relaxing day at the beach. Head to Cascais or Estoril for picturesque seaside towns, or enjoy the sun at Carcavelos Beach, just a short train ride from Lisbon. Cascais and Estoril are charming coastal towns with beautiful beaches and a relaxed atmosphere. Carcavelos Beach is popular with both locals and tourists, offering a wide stretch of sand and excellent facilities for a day of sunbathing and swimming. Now, let's talk about costs. A 5-day trip to Lisbon can be quite affordable. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect to spend per day. Accommodation, $40 minus $70. Meals, $20 minus $40. Transport, $10 minus $20. Attractions, $15 minus $30. So, a total budget of around $400 minus $800 for a 5-day trip. Safety is crucial. Here are some tips for staying safe in Lisbon. Avoid deserted areas at night. Keep an eye on your belongings to prevent pickpocketing. Use licensed taxis or ride-sharing apps. Here are some affordable yet safe hotels in Lisbon. Selena Secret Garden, trendy and budget-friendly with dorms and private rooms. Lisbon Destination Hostel, located in Rocio train station with great views. Good Morning Solo Traveler Hostel, known for its social atmosphere and clean rooms. Getting around Lisbon is easy and cheap. Use the metro, buses, and the iconic trams. The Lisbon Card offers unlimited public transport and free entry to many attractions. For U.S. citizens, no visa is required for stays up to 90 days. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay. Check the latest visa requirements as they can change. Look out for promotions from airlines like TAP Air Portugal. Booking 3 to 6 months in advance often gets you the best deals. Always check travel advisories from your government's website. Currently, there are no major alerts for Lisbon, but stay informed. A must-have souvenir from Lisbon is a piece of azulejo, the traditional Portuguese tile. You can find beautiful and affordable ones at local markets. Hiring a local guide can enrich your experience. Rates are typically $20 minus $50 for a half-day tour. Check out services like Tours by Locals for reputable guides. For more budget tips, consider eating at local markets like Time Out Market, using refillable water bottles, and exploring free attractions like the many beautiful viewpoints or Miradouros. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.